Hello, good evening. We're going to do chapter 5 today, trigonometric ratio. You can refer to page 106. Okay, before we move on to the chapter itself, let's do a little bit of recap. Okay, you have done Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem involves a right angle triangle, example like A, B, C. You label the sides A, B, C. So C is known as your hypotenuse, the longer side of a triangle. Okay, the second thing you have done, or before that, Pythagoras theorem says a squared plus b squared equals to c squared. Okay, all right. The second thing that you have done is something called acute angles. Acute angles are angles whereby the degree is less than 90 degrees. Okay, now we're going to look at how we're going to actually label the sides for a right angle triangle. Okay, let's say example, you've got this triangle ABC, triangle ABC. Okay, we are identifying this angle ACB, ACB. So your angle is here. All right. So from this angle, we actually draw an arrow out. So the arrowhead points to this side. So this side here is called the opposite side. So if this is the opposite, the side next to the angle is known as the adjacent side. And of course, and this one will be your hypotenuse, the longer side. Okay, so that means now if we were to label which is the opposite, so the opposite side is AB, BC becomes the adjacent side, and AC is the hypotenuse. Okay, we need this in order to get our trigonometric ratios later. So before we move on, I'd like you to go to Mind Test 5.1a. You complete the table given in the exercise. Thank you.